Guys, another day, another car meet slash event. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Park Links. And let's check this out, itong Outdoor Fest Philippines. Today and tomorrow. And ito ang nakita natin. Wow! EK Hatch. Of course, I'm with Mr. Ray Ricaru of Legendary. Yan, mamaya nasa Hatis tayo. Dami rin nakapark.
Oo, dami din.
Silipin lang namin kung anong meron dito. And check out this video. And tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa event area. And as you can see, there are a lot of booth sponsors, first aid, pagkain. Yan, tignan natin kung anong meron dito. Nandito ba si Dax Siomay? Dax, nandito ka ba, Dax Siomay?
Paramdam ka, Dax.
Paramdam ka. Ayan, nandiyan ang ating mga kapilisan. Sir, magandang hapon. I think ito yung mga equipment or mga things na pwede nyong bilhin for your outdoor needs. Ayan. Or yung mga pwede nyong ilagay sa mga big rigs ninyo. Uy, merong ano. Merong diecast. Silipin natin kung anong meron. Alpha Lifestyle. Dito, search and rescue training.
Every Saturday.
Government.
Exhibition po mamaya.
K9. Guys, tingnan nyo, sino nakita namin today? It's of course blue and yellow diecast toys. Nandito sila sa event. Ayan, long time no see guys, sir. And yan, kung gusto niyo ng mga diecast, you can avail them. Meron silang Facebook page. Just post it dito sa video. And you can also order online. Pwede mag-order online. Yan.
Shopee, Lazada, TikTok,
Yun.
Facebook,
Facebook.
Instagram.
Instagram yun. Dami pala. Oh. So if you're a fan of diecast and you really love cars, kaya pwede kayong mag-visit sa kanilang website. Yeah. Again, it's blue and yellow diecast toys. I'll be posting the logo. And yun. Tara, let's go! So meron din sila dito, Toy Tycoon. Yeah, if you love RC cars. Yeah. Toy Tycoon. Yan ay mga pang-outdoor na damit. Wow. Ganda ng jeep. Oo, no? Mga tipong National Geographic. National Geographic ang datingan natin dito pag ganyan na suot mo. Okay. Oy, Eni! Sa Italy's #1 engine oil. Nandito, Aeropack, sorry. Amsoil. Yun. Yan o, mga pangluto guys. Mga pangluto, pang outdoor camping. Pwede kayo mag-samyupsan. Ayan. Ayan. I think ito na yung mga uso ngayon na pang outdoor, no? gamit. Wood na, wood. Elf! Haba ng boot nila. Oh. Okay guys, ito isa sa mga booth dito sa Outdoor Fest. Mga blades, mga tinitinda nila. Yan, mga outdoor tactical gear, no?
Apa, if you may add us some page with us,
Yan, meron daw silang Facebook page.
Yes,
Tama ba?
yes, po. And hi.
Okay.
And ito,
Ano made to?
Makuno, ito po Makuno.
Maganda yung bag.
Tamago, meron siya.
You can just add them, Black Cops.
Ay,
Facebook daw.
po.
Alright.
Kano ganito?
Pop-up. Camper. PH. Outdoor gears. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels, oh. Guys, nakikita niyo ba yun, oh? Driven to be legendary. Driven to be legendary. Tapos kasama ko si Legendary.
Mahirap kalaban.
Grabe, grabe. Iba.
Merch ko pala yan.
Oo. MG. So I think they're displaying yung mga cars or yung mga pickup trucks na gaya nito. We have brands from MG, Ford, BYD. I think Toyota is behind. Yun. Amsoil, baka naman. And AC Delco. So yung mga storage needs ninyo, either outdoor or indoor. Ayan. Or storage. Ayan. Of course, we have Toyota, the new generation Tamarao. And we also have motorcycle display. Kawasaki. You know, yun ang kagandahan ng the new generation Tamarao. You can make it like this and turn it into a business. It's kind of smart. Mobile coffee. You can just go around, serve anywhere. Yun. And then set up lang na chairs and tables. Ano ba? Very mobile. Chimney, the 5-door chimney. Ito yung mga pang off-road. One of the displays here in Outdoor Fest, Philippines, from Toy Body Kits. And of course, one of the most iconic na sasakyan ng Pilipinas, of course, the Philippine Jeepney. And it's made by Sarao. Yan, nandito siya today.
Nasaan na ba?
Guys, tingnan niyo kung sino nakita namin.
Ating number 1 Avanza Racer. Yan o. Tower.
Sponsored, no? Shout out, James. Become legendary.
Sponsored.
Yeah. Si Brother Brent, of course, of Tastefully Built Philippines. Yeah. Imprint Customs. Aguila Auto Class.
Hindi siyang kotse pa. Parang may pang...
Mga containers, guys. Suspension. Grabe ko yung and of course, ang Rubicon G. Grabe. Tingnan nyo naman ang gulong niyan. And silipin nyo ang suspension, guys. Of course, meron ding Ford Raptor. Wow, I think this is the new edition. Ito na yung HEV na Hummer
2026.
20. I'm not sure of the year model, but ito na siya. Yan. So, EV. Alam ko ito yung kakrab walk. Gaganyan yung magkagano siya. Alam ko ito yun. Yeah, we can't open, but ito lang muna. Ganda na interior, guys. Of course, produced by GMC. Again, this is the new Hummer. Of course, brought to you by Ton Cars. Ganda, ganda. And we also have a G500 here. 4x4 by Mercedes. Yan, ang ganda na, no? tayo sa booth ng Ardeca Lubricants. Meron silang pack-up, yun. Maraming salamat. Shoutout kay Kuchi, Boss Kuchi and Ma'am Tel. Kung nasan man kayo. Ayun. Salamat Ardeca Philippines. Again, you can follow them on Facebook. Kung nandito kayo, meron silang mga giveaways. Meron pa kayo? Yeah, meron pa silang mga good giveaways.
Follow lang po yung aming page.
And follow yung page nila. Again, it's Ardeca Philippines. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Mountain View. Guys, puntahan natin yung pinaka-event nila. Parang meron silang mini kart race or bike race para sa mga bata. Ayun, bike race pala. Ayun yung truck. Ang cute.
Sayin ko yung kapatid ko dito. Yung pamangkin namin.
Sayang, but if you'll be watching this vlog, of course, tapos na ang event.
Next year.
dahil sa tagal namin mag-edit. Pero this is a good event. If you're going to follow, maybe they have a Facebook for the Outdoor Fest Philippines. You know, mga campers. Yun. Plus, if you have businesses, you can set up it like this, no? Galing. And I think they will stay here for the night. Ayun yung mini race, yun yung mga families. Oh, yun. There's a race that is about to start. Tignan natin, panoorin natin guys, panoorin natin.
Watch the game.
This is a bike race. Right? Yeah, but it's a bike race. Oh, so cute! Nagaling ng mga bata. Number 71, number 81, number 80. Ang gagaling. Ang galing mag-break. Of course, naka-helmet sila guys for their safety. Ayan. Guys, si Miss Cristel. Nandito tayo sa booth again ng Ardeca.
Nakita lang namin sa post.
And would see, you know,
Bahay lang.
you know,
Nakasikat naming tropa.
si Boss Kuchi. It is lifestyle in the house. You know. Guys, hindi nyo kailangan ng pick up or big rig para maglagay ng mga tents or what. Tignan nyo naman to, it's a Chang'an. It's a sedan, it's a compact sedan. And tignan nyo yung setup na ginawa niya. Yun, you see? Simple lang. So yun, plus chairs, tables. Pwede na, ready for camping na. Guys, tignan nyo to. Ganda ng setup. It's a Toyota Hilux. Yeah, I think they're from East Coast PH. Ganda ng setup nila. Pwede ka na matulog dun sa taas. Magandang tent guys.
eh.